Hello, we are in Cordova, Tennessee, in the Sutton Place subdivision. This is 1621 Sawmill Creek Lane. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Also has a finished bonus room. As we step into the home, there's a tiled entry. Luxury vinyl plank flooring in the great room area, as well as the formal dining area. This is an open floor plan concept with the great room flowing directly into the informal dining. And as we already saw, the formal dining area connects directly in to the kitchen. Kitchen does come with all your standard appliances. Plenty of countertop space and cabinet space for storage. The kitchen looks directly into the great room area, which does have wood burning fireplace. Fenced in backyard, which you view directly from the great room and the informal dining area. There's a hallway that goes to the 2-car garage and then upstairs to the bonus room. But first, we'll view the laundry area, which has ample space for a normal size washer and dryer. Then off of this hallway is the primary bedroom, which does have carpet flooring. Spacious primary bedroom. And then the oversized primary closet. Primary bathroom is attached. Does have a 2-sink vanity and separate tub, standing shower. As well as its own linen closet. And then the toilet area is sectioned off by a door as well. This is a split floor plan, so we'll go to the other side of the home to view bedrooms 2 and 3 and the full hall bath. First, on the front of the home is bedroom number 2. It just have 3 windows, letting in plenty of natural light. The hallway and the hall bath separate bedrooms 2 and 3. Viewing the hall bathroom now. And the linen closet. And then on the rear is bedroom number 3. Lastly, we'll go upstairs to view the bonus room. Up the carpeted stairs. And then the spacious bonus room, which could be used as a playroom, an office, additional sitting room. Many uses for this space. Thank you for viewing this home with us today.